Hello guys, this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here once again. If you're new here, I would like to remind you about my special 5000 subscribers giveaway about the VOM Ditto, a mini Bluetooth speaker reminding you of a retro computer. It's cute, it has a lot of extras, and it's something that everybody would want because it's unique. If you want to know how to enroll in this giveaway, you should check my special VOM Ditto review video and you will find the requirements there. Good luck to everybody. Now let's jump back to the point. In today's video I want to show you one very amazing software. Have you wondered sometimes, oh, did they updated my drivers? Sometimes Windows don't catch which drivers needs to be updated and you're like, why this is not working properly? That's why in today's video I'll show you the solution how to fix your drivers through one basic program. I'll show it in more details on the other computer. Here I'll just give you the basic review. This is Driver Easy, amazing program which scans your drivers, what have you been updating, what is updated and what is not. You just press scan now and you will see which drivers you have missing. Let's check. It's fast, isn't it? I really love smart programs like this one here. Driver Easy will make your life easy, for sure. Here you can see all of my up-to-date drivers that we have, a full list. Let's dive into the computer with OBS. I will show you which driver is what on my other computer. So this is the program from closer look, Driver Easy Pro. There is paid and free version. Now I'll do scanning on my other computer to check if everything is updated and if I have all of my drivers. You can choose which driver to update and which not to update. It depends on your taste and what is important for you. Let's see, now we have the GeForce GTX 1080 Ti driver that needs to update, the high definition audio that needs to update, and the virtual audio device. All of the NVIDIA needs to be updated, and Alcor Micro USB 2.0 card reader. Now we update them. This one, I really don't want to update the NVIDIA drivers because we know they have problems. When you find a stable driver of NVIDIA, I don't like updating. Updating. You can also update all and they will go into queue and update one after another. You can check your hardware info, driver backup, driver restore and install, offline scan. You can see what drivers you have deinstalled, your tools, CPU, motherboard, memory, graphics, everything in this Driver Easy program. Driver Easy makes it easy. And right now there is a sale on the yearly fee for the program. I think $25, so I really recommend you this program. It's a great way to keep your drivers updated and your computer happy. Thank you very much guys for watching this video review. Be sure to like and subscribe, follow me on social media and enroll for my special Ditto giveaway.